Hey everyone, I'm Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora Collection.
And Maisha, I'm a Sephora beauty director.
We are so excited to be here today. We are feeling safe and healthy and happy, and we're excited to be working back in the studio again. And today we want to talk about our top picks for just gifts under $25.
I just like having options for people in my life that I just want to show, a little appreciation for. My mom's coworkers. Like, I just like to, we work in a beauty wonderland.
Yeah.
And sometimes we just want to share things. So having things and options under $25 is incredibly great.
You really can't go wrong with these gifts that we're going to show you too. So it's going to be at a great value. So this one is the Sephora Collection Wild Wishes Colorful Gloss Bomb Set. I really like this set because you're essentially getting 2 glosses for free. And I like it because it has not only clear, but you also have like some colors in there. Like everybody wants just a little colorful gloss occasionally. So I just really like these. I'm actually wearing, this is Balm Diggity, which I just like the name.
I love the clear. I always tell people it's called Balm Diggity. It's the best name.
I always say that. I'm like, this is the best name. And then what I'm wearing right now is actually called Wild Child. You guys know me. I'm wild. I just really like it. It's a great set. If you want to break it up and just give them to people, as like a little topper on a gift, that's a really cool idea too. So I think it's a great value.
Yeah, and I like this set too because the lip gloss feels moisturizing.
Yes.
It's not a lip gloss that you have to put on lip moisturizer for, like Gloss Bomb. It has balm in it. So we have another gloss.
Yeah.
Another gloss, one of my faves. I just keep so many glosses near me when I get ready. Like these two are definitely here. So this is funny because Helen picked these items, and this is actually what I sent to a bunch of people for holiday. I sent them individual Fenty Beauty gloss bombs. Like, I just feel like everybody should have gloss bomb.
They're so pretty.
I feel like I've never met anybody who doesn't like gloss bomb.
The packaging's gorgeous. Like, you just pull it out and you feel fancy.
Yeah, and these, like, very similar to the Sephora Collection ones in a feeling. They just have hydrating oils or something in there where you don't feel like you have to hydrate beforehand. They apply beautifully over, like, whatever you're wearing. Like, I have Fenty Glow, which is the browner one, over just a matte lip, and it looks really pretty. My aunt, I always try to send her fun makeup. She has, like, beautiful, deep skin. I was like, you need hot chocolate. Like, you need it. It is
so good.
Beautiful. I think I
I'm
sent her
obsessed with that color.
this one and Fenty Glow, the brownish one. Like, I have flash shipping, so I just, like, randomly send my friends and family gifts in the mail. Like, I love it. It gets there in, like, a day or two.
Yeah.
So it's perfect. I kind of think everybody should have a red color.
If you at least like grab one.
Yeah.
I love the universal one, but these are some of our other favorites.
So
like the
good.
hot chocolate is definitely one of my favorites. This one,
Sweet Mouth.
you love it.
I
and
love
it looks
Sweet
so
Mouth
good on you.
because it's just like a pale, like soft, almost like a highlighter for the lips.
Yeah.
A clear. Like, who doesn't want clear?
Again,
Absolutely
we love
gorgeous.
clear. This is a Jeffrey.
This is Jeffrey's favorite because it's like, this is Diamond Milk. It just kind of like gives you like a wet look.
Yes.
If you're familiar with the Diamond Milk highlighter. And it's really pretty just to put in the center, all over. I just think there's a color for everybody.
Yeah.
And I know sometimes like gift sets are the standard for holiday, but if
give
it's
a
something I'm
one-off.
going to
If
use
it's
all
beautiful.
year,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Give a one-off. If it's a beautiful product, I feel like, why not? Next up, we have our 4 shots of detox. So this is by Dry Bar. I really love it because the packaging's obviously really cute. It's super useful. So it has all of their different flavors of dry shampoo. It has their traditional one that they have, and then 3 flavors that they don't normally make. So it has a coconut colada, a grapefruit mimosa, and a bubbles and berries. So it's just really nice. They have like all of them have a strong scent. I feel like this is what Dry Bar is like known for. So it feels like super fresh when you put it in your hair, especially like, if you work out and you just want your hair to be fresh after that.
Yeah, I really like the scent. Like, I used to have like very straight extensions back in the day, and we used to travel together all the time. And we would go to like very random cities where we didn't know the weather, so I always had detox with me because I was like, "Are we in Miami?"
You got me into it. Yeah, I was like, "What is that?"
Are we at a festival today? Like, what's going on? And I found detox to be really great. I have curly hair now, obviously, so I don't use dry shampoo as much, but it's really great for when I overdo it with my like oilier products.
Yeah.
To kind of like, especially on the scalp and things like that, I can spray a little bit of detox in there to kind of like, reverse the oiliness, kind of soak it up a little bit. You can break these up.
Yeah.
Like, you can keep your
If you're cooking
favorite.
a lot for the holiday, it'll cover up all those like food scents. And
Very true.
It's a really good one.
Garlic goes in every single one of my holiday dishes, so
Same.
there you go. lastly, we have from Moroccanoil the All-Stars Stocking Stuffer Kit. So this comes with the Moroccanoil treatment as well as a candle. I feel like personally, like if you get Helen and I a plant or a candle, we're good.
I already burned my candle.
Yeah, like that's all we want, a plant or a candle. So I think this is perfect. If you have someone in your life who's been wanting to try the Moroccanoil treatment, I feel like it's so popular, everyone's kind of heard about it. Or I feel like sometimes when you're giving a gift, an easy way to be like, girl, like maybe you damaged your hair a little bit too much, in a very graceful way, you can give this to them, because this is like multi-purpose. You can use it before you shampoo to moisturize. You can use it afterwards. You can use it for shine. There's heat protection, I believe, in it. Like it's a very like easy to use product. You can use it for all hair types, so this would work for anybody. I feel like this would be great for like if you had to give gifts to someone you didn't know that well, it would
perfect for
still
someone
work.
you don't really know well, and you just want to like.
Yeah, it's definitely
a thought that counts.
definitely gonna work. Sometimes I use it on my body. Like you can do all sorts
It's
of things.
It's a good one.
And like, who doesn't?
I love this candle. So this was sent to me in the mail, and I thought that it was like truly a gift. And I burned through my candles, and I had to go back to Sephora and buy it. I didn't know it was for this video.
I know, like with filming at home and things like that, I'm just like, oh my god, how nice! Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I love.
Thank you. I love it. I used it all.
That tells you it's a great gift, because we get delighted when we get things in the mail. And this kind of is giving me like, if you were to mix Moroccanoil treatment with a little bit of Dry Bar Detox.
It's
it kind of reminds
it has
me
like
of
a slightly different scent than just Moroccanoil, which
it's
I like.
very fresh, very nice, super cute. Like
It's
I
a
think
travel
this is a great
size,
set.
which I love anything in a tin. So, you know, not that everybody's doing big traveling, but it is in a travel tin if you want to take it with you.
Yes, cute little set, under $25.
Okay, so you can shop all of these items. They will be linked below in the description. Be sure to get them before they sell out, because they definitely will.
They will. And maybe in the description bar, this always gets me like in the holiday spirit. Like think about who you're gonna gift something to. Like if you have someone very special that maybe did something really kind for you, you want to get a nice little gift for. I think the under $25 category is perfect for giving little tokens of appreciation. Go ahead and leave that below. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of our content, because you gotta stay up on the beauty news and the fun stuff.
Yeah.
And it was fun hanging out with Helen. I haven't seen her in months. And it was fun talking to you all. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Happy holidays.